Hello fellow coders, today through this video we will learn about HTML. HTML is a language used to make web pages. HTML or hypertext markup language can be written using software such as Notepad, Notepad++, TextEdit or my personal favorite Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a code editing software developed by Microsoft. Firstly, to download VS Code, we need to open our browser. We then need to navigate to VS Code website. There is a link down below, or you can just search VS Code. Click on the download. We now need to choose our OS, and for my case it is macOS, so I'll choose macOS, and the download should start automatically, or if it doesn't we can click on the direct link. If you are following us on a Windows laptop, you will need to click on the downloaded file and follow the instructions on the download wizard. On macOS, the file is downloaded to download folder and we just need to drag it to our application folder. Now search for Visual Studio Code via Spotlight, or we can navigate to it through application folder. It will take some time to verify that VS Code is safe, and it will also ask you for permissions. That we have downloaded our Visual Studio Code, we can now go to Extension tab on the left hand side and download some extension to run HTML in Visual Studio Code. We search for HTML and need to download HTML snippets extension and also HTML preview extension. Preview extension will allow us to preview our HTML code in Visual Studio Code itself. Now we have downloaded our extensions, so we can close this tab, and also we can close the extension search area, and we can now start a new project by using shortcut command N or control N. It will open a new project for us, and we need to choose our language by going in the bottom right hand corner. You can type HTML and hit enter. All ready to go, and let's start with some basic tags in HTML. So the most basic tag in HTML is the HTML tag itself. We use it to define our HTML, and all the code in HTML goes between this HTML tag. Then we have our heading tag or head tag, in which we put our title and other code, which we will talk about later. Then comes the body tag. Body tag is a very important tag as it contains all the information or all the code regarding the body of the web page. Then comes heading tag and paragraph tag. So heading tag, as the name suggests, is used to add heading to our web page. Then comes paragraph tag. We use paragraph tag to add paragraphs to our web page, as the name suggests. So let's now preview our code. We can preview it by clicking in the upper right hand corner, and there it is. The bigger one is our heading, while the smaller one below it is the paragraph we have written. We can now close it and save our project, and we can now use our browser to see our project. So let's just hit command S to save it, and remember to add .html at the end of the file name, as .html is the correct format for HTML file. Now we can navigate to our file and open it using our preferred browser. It should open seamlessly in the browser we have chosen. As you can see, we got the same output as we got in the Visual Studio Code HTML preview. And that's it for today. Thank you. And if you like the video, hit thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you once again.